Gab, a message for Dad.
So like I think it was last month, and Asa asked me to make a video for you, greeting you. And my friend said, Dad, you've been greeting your dad for what, 30 plus years of my life? Hindi ka ba nauubusan na masasabi? And honestly, and this is not any showbiz answer, this is from the bottom of my heart. But having a dad like you, hindi talaga ako mauubusan na masasabi. You have been the best, the greatest blessing to our family, you and Mom. And all I can say is that for the past 40 years of your career, you have been the staple, the pioneer in the industry. But for the past 60 years, you have been an incredible human being.
Thank you, son.
Alam mo bakit proud ako? You know why I'm proud to say he's 60?
Why?
Does he look 60?
No! Not even one leg.
Does he move like he's 60?
Not even one